In this video, we're going to set up a crypto wallet to hold AVT tokens on Aventus Network. The wallet we recommend is one called SubWallet, and it's available at subwallet.app. There are different options available. For example, you can install the wallet as an extension on your web browser, and you can also install it as an app on your phone on both Apple and Android. In this case, we're going to set up an extension on the web browser, and we have different options. For example, we have Google Chrome, we have Brave, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. In our case, we're going to install it on Chrome. And here we're taken to the SubWallet page on the Chrome Web Store. And let's go to the top right corner and click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Now the wallet has been installed into our web browser. It's already opened up a new page where I can either create a new account, import an existing account, or attach an account. And we want to create a new wallet, so let's click the top option. These are the terms and conditions. And here we enter a password. Just remember that no one has access to this password, including SubWallet themselves. So you must remember this password and keep it safe. Next, we are going to have our seed phrase, which is another type of password, which you must keep safe. And just remember, once the seed phrase has been shown to us, neither SubWallet or Aventus or anyone else has a copy of it. Only you have it. And there's no way to recover a seed phrase once it's been given out. And it's recommended to store your seed phrase in at least 2 places. However, they must be very, very secure. No one should ever find it, or you should never share it to anyone else as well. So let's click all of those options and continue. Here is the seed phrase. It's hidden at the moment, but if you hover over, you'll be able to see 16 words, which you should write down or store in a very safe way. I'm going to copy it, and you can also download a file that contains the seed phrase. Now I'm happy to have stored the seed phrase, and I'm going to continue. Remember, once you click forward from here, you can never come back. Let's give this account for our crypto wallet a name, and I'll just call it Node Wallet, but you can give it any name whatsoever. It's all done, and now we can go to the main page of our crypto wallet. And at the moment, of course, it's a new wallet, so there's no money. The first step we should do is we should add the AVT token to our wallet. So go to the very bottom and click Manage Tokens. Search for Aventus. We'll see 2 tokens, both called AVT. The top one is the main one, and the bottom one is a test one. And to make sure that the top one really is the main token, we click on it, and it says Aventus Polkadot, which is correct. So let's add the top one to our wallet. Then go back home and just go to the bottom, and we should see Aventus AVT. There it is in the middle. And we now want to copy our wallet address. So you click on Get Address. We type in Aventus, and it's correct. Aventus Polkadot is the one we want. And here we have a QR code which can be shared. And we also have the actual wallet address, which is quite long. It begins with 5. So we can copy it to our clipboard. And this can be safely shared with anyone who needs to send you AVT. And you can also share it with your node seller. Think of your address as a deposit address. So it's quite safe to give out. Now, we're all set up. And quite soon, when you set up your node, you'll see your rewards appear in the AVT token section. And just to explain one more thing, if we show our balance, which is currently 0, when you click on it, you'll see two types of balances. One is the transferable amount, one is the locked amount. In the first 6 months of having your node, your rewards will be locked, and over time they'll be unlocked and transferable. So you'll see that the total amount is both your locked and transferable amount. The very last step is that the extension has been added to our browser, and you may be wondering, if I was to close the SubWallet page, how would I get back to my wallet? And a quick shortcut we should set up is click on extensions on the top right corner and click pin. Now it's available. You see the S. If you click that, it's okay to migrate. Now do this just the one time. Now we see our wallet again. And remember, the next time if we close our browser and open up again and we click on SubWallet, we'll have to enter our password. So just remember to keep your password safe and your seed phrase safe. And that's it.